So I've sped this up to double speed so I can get the base drawing down here. And I'm aiming for this relaxed look in this kitty. Just really take note what my pencil's doing. Getting that muzzle in there. Fixing it a bit. Needed to come down lower on our right hand side. And some lines for eyes. Making those little eye pockets so I can get the eyes in the right place. And some repairs along the way when it doesn't get in the right place. Just feeling out where I want that nose. Lining it up in relation to the eyes. The inner corners of the eyes really determine where that nose goes. And then I just get the feel for it too. Please join our cat drawing art workshop on Facebook if you're truly passionate about drawing cats. You'll find the link in the video description below, and you'll find some other links there too. Cat drawing resources. I love to play with the mouth line and give that cat a little smirk. It's almost like kitties saying, "What, you want me? Is there food involved?" Just putting some paper in there so I don't smudge the drawing with my hands too badly. I'm liking it so far. I think I've got the proportions decent. And a nice expression. Now I'm just kind of refining it. I'm going to speed it up a little quicker here pretty soon. Got to really make sure those eyes go together well. And get a suggestion of a pupil in there. Help kitty come to life. Yeah, I didn't like that nose line too much. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the little bell so you get notifications when there's a new video. And we'd love to have you help us build our community, our cat drawing community. I want those eyes to really pop out. That's why I want nice dark lines around the eyes. And it's going to speed up even faster here pretty quick while I finish things up. I like the smirk I've captured on Kitty. And please tell me what you want to know about cat drawing. And just drop me a comment below and I would love to hear from you. I like hearing about your cat, what kind of drawing you like to do, where you're from in the world. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.